Oh my god, I'm gonna be late. Okay. Almost done. I'm almost done, people. Just put the stupid wig on. The glasses. This makes me so excited. And good afternoon. This is the VE News, and I'm Tereza. And there is not much happening. But the Mount Pinatubo eruption. Oh, I remember when that happened.
Oh my god! Mount Pinatubo just erupted.
Ha ha, I know you're joking. I'm so scared. Oh my god, Mount Pinatubo just erupted.
Told you.
Sure. Mount Pinatubo is on the western part of the island Luzon in the Philippines. It's located about 90 kilometers northwest of Manila. Mount Pinatubo hasn't erupted for 600 years. Then, suddenly, a big explosion occurred in 1991. Yeah, thank you for the sound effects, Annisa. Mount Pinatubo started erupting on June 14th and lasted till about June 16th. It was one of the biggest eruptions of the 20th century. Sound effects. For more information, let's call the scientist.
Annisa, the science girl. Annisa, Nisa. Annisa, the science girl. Give me an A.
A.
Give me an N.
N.
Give me an N.
N.
Give me an I.
I.
Give me an S.
S.
Give me an A.
A.
What does that spell?
Annisa.
Annisa, the science girl.
Okay, do it. Start. You know, do the usual stuff. Sciencey, smart, classic.
Yeah.
Hello, Annisa. I am from the VE News.
What's VE?
It stands for Volcano Erupting News. Duh.
Oh, I knew that.
Anyway, I have come to interview you about Mount Pinatubo. How exciting is that?
You may not interview me about Mount Pinatubo, so get out.
Please.
I missed an episode of Hannah Montana because of you.
I'm so sorry. Isn't it like so obvious that Miley is Hannah Montana? It
I know,
took me
right?
so long to figure it out.
Yeah.
Alright.
Wait, so where was I? Get out!
Oh, please don't get me out. I'll lose my job and get poor, then die. I'll give you my favorite blow straight freestyle.
Fine.
When
What's
you
the
walk
first
past, just go
question?
like this.
What type of volcano is Mount Pinatubo?
It was a stratovolcano. A stratovolcano is a tall conical volcano built up by many layers of hardened lava, tempera, pumic, and volcanic ash.
What type of lava did it produce? Hard question.
I know. It produced both lahar and
Pyroclastic.
I was gonna say that. I'm sorry.
Continue.
Okay. These two types of lava caused more destruction than the eruption itself.
What were the damages, like the actual damages, done by the volcano?
Mount Pinatubo produced mud flows, hot ash, and gas. This caused 100,000 people homeless and more than 300 deaths. How scary is that?
Yeah. What tectonic plates were involved that made the eruption happen? You know.
The Philippine and the Pacific plate collided with each other and caused a major explosion.
Oh, okay. Were there any warnings, Annisa?
2 months before the major explosion began, small explosions and emissions occurred around the area.
Has it erupted ever since?
1991.
This volcano erupted again in late August 1992. It killed more than 72 people.
But it wasn't as big as the 1991 eruption.
Yeah, of course.
Okay. Well, thank you for your time and information, Annisa. I promise to send you that poster of Miley Cyrus later on. But, thank you anyway, and bye!
Goodbye.
And that's it for today, peeps. See y'all later. Now that just sounds awkward and snackish, so, well, bye. Someone get me that latte and donut. I am just like exhausted. Oh my god.